Hello everyone, so this is our weekly forex review and let's start what's happening on the markets now and how to make profit now on the market. We'll talk about all the stuff now on the market and how we can use it to make the profit today. Many interesting things on the market. So for the first of all, what we should to see is that we can see on a gold that it's finally it's grabbed that liquidity on that level, and I told you about that this level 4,500 is very important because there was a huge liquidity, and as we can see we take this liquidity with maybe 2 pins, 3 pins. We took this liquidity. And what it means? It means it's pressure for gold now. It's quite hard because the USD is strong. So my opinion that's to see the long here we should to get something like that. Yeah, like daily high, we should to update it, and after that we can see the long. So and now I more prefer the short from some of these levels, from something from here. I'm waiting for the short and find to entry point somewhere here. This is the most right way in my opinion now. This is the most right way in my opinion now. And if we will update this level again, we can take long positions. Anyway, we do everyday scalp trading on the gold in my Telegram channel. Now you can see the deals which we completed on that week, and also if you wanted to join our premium community, you can check the link under that video and find all what you need to join my community and to do the same trades as I do every single day. So on the gold times like that, guys, yeah, now it looks quite bearish. We are waiting for the news, we are waiting for the macro data on that week, and we'll see what happens. So what on the silver? On the silver we got such amazing trade here because we opened here with you exactly nice short in the last videos. You can check it, and now we can see how it fall here on that levels. And the same option, guys, the same option. Now I prefer to find the short points, short entry points, yes, because we will go here to close this imbalance, something from here. It's a nice point to take a short position for again going here to take this liquidity. This is my opinion, guys, and what I'm thinking about now. Yes, still we have here a long zone from where we'll take our long trades. So just wait for it, because now we're in the middle of the range price, and I'm not thinking it's a good idea to take it right now. That's why we are just waiting how it will show us and what it will show us in this imbalance. Yeah, if we will talk about the, for example, euro with you guys, yeah, we finally go to this imbalance, yeah, to this FVG, and we can see that now it's do some work here. And if the euro will now, yeah, finally fix the price over the 1.16500, yeah, something like this, yeah, we can start open the long and start do long trades. But if no, as we can see now, there's only pins. Yeah, I again prefer again dump, and I guess it will go down more and more, because anyway we are in the middle of the high range, and we can see the reaction of the optimal line exactly here. So guys, this is just pullback, and it will continue go fall down. So my opinion, better to take short positions here. So also let's see what happening on the pound. The same situation basically, but level is different, 1.34. so if we will finally fix over that level, we can wait some long. If no, just find the entry point in the short, entry in the short here, your stop loss here, and try something like that. But always, guys, please to keep a good risk reward on your trades, because it's so important. I'm so many times hearing that, guys, you really not follow your risk reward, and that's why you losing money. Please care about that, because this is the most important things on the market. Okay, let's see what's happening on the S&P 500. Also on the S&P 500, it's still high. Yeah, it gave us the first break of structure here. Finally, something better to break this level 7,350, and after that we already can talk about really correction. Yeah, but I'm waiting for some correction now, something like that. And I'll tell you now something about the US market and what happened there on stock market is important things. And also on this week we have the report from NVIDIA about them, all the balances and everything, and from that will depend really strong what will happen now, because all the markets is growing on the expectation of investors and traders about what will happen. And in my opinion, Now the AI bubble already is quite big, but it could be much bigger, guys. It could be much bigger, because if we will see that even Nasdaq index is closing already 6 weeks in a row under the Bollinger lines, and that means that it's so bullish now. And last time it was in 2000 something, in the times in the dot-coms, and that times after that was a very strong crisis. If you remember, guys, if somebody remember of that times, it was very hard. Yeah, and it's not means that it will start today, tomorrow, or after 1 or 2 weeks. It's mean only that the situation is quite strange, because if you'll see now on the economy of US, it's quite a bad situation, because they have a high inflation, they have a problem with the economy, the prices for the petrol is increased by 110% in the last 2 months after all the situation on the Middle East. The just life cost is 2-3 times more than 3 months ago, and that all means that the situation is not good. But we can see this market is still going higher and higher. And what it means? It means that somebody pushing that market going there. And my opinion, 2-3 weeks we will see the same situation. And also there's an interesting thing that the Elon Musk is planning to do the IPO on the SpaceX in July. And this guy really know what he's doing, and if he's deciding to do this in July, it means that maybe in that time we will see the local top of the market. Yeah, because he will not do IPO when the market is in a shit, you know, when the market is shit. He will not do this. In that case, my opinion is maybe we will see in the summer some local top, and the sell may go away, will not work, maybe. But let's see, because anyway, I will show you now my plan on the Bitcoin, and you will understand some things in a more detailed. Yeah, okay, let's go. So okay, guys, about the Bitcoin, finally we saw everything here. Yeah, we saw pound. Yeah, guys, on the pound I show you. So guys, Bitcoin, what happening on the Bitcoin? Basically, we had on the Bitcoin such amazing short trade, which I told you about that more than 2 months about that trade that I'm waiting this short zone from where I will take short, and I did exactly what I said. I show you this on the live streams, I show you this on my YouTube videos. You can find it in the history of the videos, and now we can see the exactly same point. Okay, now the price stopped in that level where I show you this local level, but my opinion, we will go here to the daily level, and from here we already can see some reverse. So it will happen like this or like this, but anyway now temporary, I'm waiting to pull back and going higher. So only if we will go lower than 69,000, after that we can say that, guys, this blood on the market, this shit, we are again in a strong correction. Yeah, yeah, maybe if it will go something like that, see what we can see. What is this? July, guys. And this plan will work, see, this plan will work. So something like that, guys. Think about and just watch my analysis, because I told you about that more than 2 months ago. Now you can see it on your screens. Exchange, and for sure it will go there for squeeze and then go down. That will be like this, maybe. Yeah, and now it happened, and it will happen again and again, guys. And all this is public and free analysis, and you can use it to earn money on the market every single day. By the way, we are doing this in my Telegram channel, link under that video. If you want to join, just join my Telegram channel. So what happening on Ethereum? Now we can see this on Ethereum. We saw also how to fold over of this range, and now we can see that we are in this zone. Let's stop the price now, and if we will go down and jump, and if it will dip over the 2060, in that case it's not good. Yeah, after that, because there's many liquidity which can be a fuel to drop more and more. But anyway, here our long zone, but I prefer to see something like that. On Ethereum, and this is my best plan, by the way. So if we will see also some interesting things on the other coins, I'll show you now one good setup which you can trade and make money. So guys, the Hype USDT, this is a nice coin, and you can get this setup now here, and 41, and my recommendation, you guys, to check it out, because from here I am waiting something like that. I'm waiting this setup, and we already catched one setup like that on this coin, and please follow it to make profit in the market, but also follow your risk management, because this is the most important thing, guys. Yeah, don't be so risky, guys, please. Yeah, so take this setup, guys. It's for you, it's for free, but that works so well that you will shocked when you will do this. Also, guys, the interesting thing is, if you will see on the silver, there we can see it happening almost the same stuff now on the market. Yeah, here only if we will go here and update this level, we can talk about the longs. In my opinion, yeah, intraday scalping, you can take a long and try to take a long till this level, till 83. Yeah, but basically it should go in deep more. So in that case, better to trade short. Also, the interesting thing is Cooper. I'm waiting the Cooper in the price $15 in this year, in the soonest time, maybe in a few months, maybe in half in a year. Now it's $6 and it's already like quite bullish, but you can say, oh, maybe it will be some correction here. But guys, believe me, Cooper could be priced for the Cooper could be in $15 easily in this year. Yeah, just wait for that and you will see, because it's so important metal and the need everywhere when you're using AI, and for AI technology is growing and it's growing so fast. Cooper is very important. Also, the interesting thing is, guys, about the government, that's now when the Trump is president, the 70% of the all employees in the government, they have some crypto assets and a total value more than $2 million. And by the way, when Biden was a president, nobody have crypto. So think about. Yeah, the also interesting thing is now we can see on Ethereum that some guys, even now, even on that level, they open some long on $250 million, guys, on 250 million, they open here now longs. So maybe they know something, because this is quarter of million and of the billion. Yeah, $250 million. Oh my god. So yeah, that's why I'm thinking that we can see the long really soon. Guys, by the way, if you had the issue and your crypto locked on any exchanges, I can help you. I do professional unlocking of crypto exchanges, and if you got this issue, please just text on my Telegram what happening, when it happening, and what you already did, and I will help you to return your crypto assets from any exchange, Bybit, Binance, FTX, or any other crypto exchanges. So if you need to help, just let me know. So guys, this was our weekly Forex review, more details about my premium community where we do trade every single day. You can find all information link under that video. Now you can see the reviews of the people who's already in our community. And if you wanted to join, just follow the link and you will understand how to join our community. Guys, thank you for your attention, and this is our weekly Forex review. See you on the next week. Bye bye.